Yun yung magic. Gusto kong patunayan na deserve ng magician na manalo sa Pilipinas Got Talent. At yun ang ipapakita ko ngayon sa entablado.
From Marikina City, let's all welcome Odi Santos Domingo!
Dad, asan ka? Welcome to the present. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nandito. Pero para siguro maintindihan natin, kailangan natin sumilip sa nakaraan. Nung bata ako, me and my dad would stargaze every night. Sabi niya, the first star you see at night, yan ang first wish mo. So I closed my eyes and wished to become a magician. Lumipas ang panahon, wish granted. Pero habang tumatanda ako, unti-unti na rin niya nakakalimutan kung sino ako. Oo, dementia. Isang sakit na parang mahika na unti-unting nabubura ang alaala. Yung batang Odi na kasama niyang tumitingin sa mga bituin. Doon ko na-realize, memories don't just live in the mind. They live in the heart. Ang memory ng tatay ko, naging core memory ko rin. Hindi lang niya ako tinuruan tumingin sa bituin. Tinuruan niya rin akong mangarap. At ang totoong mahika, hindi lang yung trick, kundi yung kwento sa likod nito. What is talent really? It's not just skill, it's the power to share your story, to inspire someone who might be hurting, lost, or forgotten. Minsan kasi, ang akala natin, ang pinaka-importanteng bagay ay nasa inaharap o nakaraan. Pero ang totoong regalo ay ang present. For me, ang present is a gift. Kaya ingatan natin ito. Miss Eugene, this is my present to you. Of course, judges, hindi ko po kayo nakalimutan. I got something special for you guys. Sir FMG, my present to you.
Thank you.
Don't open it yet. Of course, Miss Catherine, I've got something for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Robbie, Melay, I've got something for you. Guys, thank you so much. They say the present is a gift. That's why the present is important to me. This gift, I handmade it myself. Ginawa ko po yan just for you guys. It has some connection with your past, present, and the future. You can open it right now. Yes, take a look. At least walang meaning siya. Not unless kung kunin mo siya sa loob ng box. Kunin niyo po sa loob ng box. Tanggalin niyo po sa loob ng box. You can see That's something that has a connection with your past, present, and the future. It's your mom. Tony. Brother, hindi kita nakalimutan. Huwag ka na magtampo. I got something. Okay. So, I got something for you. Kahit maliit, medyo malaki pa rin siya. Can you please wear this one? Okay. Kasi bukod sa yun na may regalo ako, I actually have some gifts sa audience natin. Yes. Pwede mo ba akong samahan ibigay yung regalo na yun? Can you please, all guys, face the audience. Take a look at the audience. Tony, at the count of 3, I want you to wave your hand to the audience, okay? 1, 2, 3. Gift to you, my dad's memory. Donnie, hindi pa tayo natatapos dyan kasi yung gift natin binigay natin sa audience pero wala pa akong regalo sa'yo. Right? There's a piece of envelope here. And may I know what, hindi ko lang sure kung alam mo ba yung zodiac sign? Aquarius. Sure ka? Because inside this piece of envelope is the constellation Aquarius. The reason why it's connected because my dad is also born February 13th. And actually, Donnie, my final gift to you is this star, the Aquarius. Thank you so much, guys, for being a part of my past, present, and the future. I love you guys. Once again, this is Matthew Manoli saying thank you and good night.